Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have GIMS here, and if you are a fan of him, you want to learn his song on guitar, then this is a channel to go for on Growing Guitar. We have a playlist like 15 songs from him, older ones like GIMS, and also new ones like Spider. And speaking of Spider, that's a reference to the Ferrari Spider. He drives a fancy car in this song as well called Baby. That's a Mercedes, I believe. And I have to still drive my good old time my guitar here. Life is not fair all the time, but anyway, I'm enjoying my time and my time with you guys. So let's go into this one, GIMS called Baby. All right, so with that, we have three chords, no need for any capo here. We have D minor, the A sharp, and the C chord. So let's go into the chords. We're gonna start with the D minor first, and that goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. Next chord was the A sharp chord. I'm gonna go with the sus version because I'm lazy and it's simpler. So that's a bar. You place the index finger on the first fret and you push down all strings. You don't have to push down the last E string in the bass here, but the 5 strings below you have to, and then you need to add a third on D and third on G. And the final chord will be the C, and that goes third on A, second on G, open G, first B, and open E. Alright, so there you have the chord progression, D minor, A sharp, and C. Now let's go into the strumming, and we have a strumming pattern that is divided into two different parts. So we're going to look into the first chord, the D minor, and learn the strumming. So if you grab that one full round goes like this. Okay, so you're going to start with part 1. It's down, a short pause, and then up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. Okay, that's the first part, and then you have a short break and play part 2, which is simply down, clap, and that's it. So together it will be down, up, clap, down, down, clap. Okay, so that is one full pattern. So you're going to play D minor, one full round. We just learned that, part 1 and part 2. Then you're going to go to A sharp and play part 1, the down, up, clap, down. And then you change to C and play part 2, the down, clap. And that's it. So one full round on D minor, part 1 on A sharp, and part 2 on C. That rolls through the entire song. Let's go for a couple rounds of this. Alright guys, so there you have that song from GIMS called Baby. And I mentioned in the intro of this tutorial here that I'm driving my good old timer. I love this guitar. But there will be a change pretty soon. We will come up with a new series. I'm just hitting that so you know what's coming up. We're gonna throw in something new stuff on this channel, so stay tuned for new cars here. So thank you for support guys so far, and see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.